In this question, there is a adiabatic cylindrical tube in which adiabatic gas will be filled. This is adiabatic separator which is movable. It is given that both side ideal gas of gamma 1.5 is put. Initially, the separator was halfway, that is volume was same, and by any kind of mechanism it is separator is moved such that volume ratio becomes V1 is to V2 becomes 7:3, and it is asking to find ratio of temperatures. In the question it is given that T1 is to T2 is equals under root n is to 7, and it is asking to find value of n in this question. Okay. Now you see, as this is adiabatic cylindrical tube, there will be no heat of exchange from this gas to the surrounding, and again no heat is flowing from this side to this side, and this adiabatic separator can move. This is movable, so this will move, and at the final position the pressure in both the sides will be equal. Okay. So at final position pressure will be same. At final position pressure will be same on both side, Okay. That is, you can say pressure is constant, and this is doing adiabatic process, so the equation will be T V gamma minus 1 equals constant. So by using the data, here you see V1 is to V2 is 7:3, TV is constant, so we can write T1 V1 gamma minus 1 equals T2 V2 gamma minus 1. Okay. This value we can write it as V1 upon V2 power gamma minus 1 must be equal to T2 upon T1. Okay. V1 upon V2 is what? 7/3, that will be 7/3, and gamma value, gamma value is given 1.5, so 1.5 minus 1 will be equals T2 upon T1. 1.5 minus 1 resulting half, so we can write it as under root 7/3 will be equal to T2 upon T1. You see, this is under root 7/3 equals T2 upon T1. We can flip it and can write it as T1 upon T2 equals under root 3 upon under root 7, that is T1 is to T2 will be equal to under root 3 is to under root 7. And in this question it is given that T1 is to T2 is under root n is to under root 7. By comparing this to our result, we can get value of n, and of course value of n will be equal to 3 for this question which has been asked, and this is our desired result.